Good morning, students. Welcome to the EVS class. Today's date is 11th November 2020. So we have completed the discussion of the lesson number 8, which is wings and tails. In this lesson, we have learned about different animals that are around us, then types of animals, day and night animals, and identifying different animals. So today we are going to summarize the whole lesson so that it becomes easy for you. So let us start with the first with the introduction, that is about domestic and wild animals. So we have come to know that domestic are those animals that lives inside our house or farms or fields, while wild animals, they live in the forest, right? And also there is one more point, which is that peoples, that is human beings, need to take care of the food, shelter of the domestic animals, while wild animals, they do not need human care. They can do it on their own. They can hunt themselves, they can take care of themselves, etc. Then we have learned about pet and farm animals. Now, pet and farm animals, they fall under the domestic animal categories. So we have learned that domestic animals live inside the houses, then in the fields or in the farms, right? So the animals that live inside our houses are called pet animals. Now, which are the animals that we keep inside our house? Dogs, cats, rabbits, pet birds, etc. Then farm animals. The name itself suggests the farm. When we say that the animals that live in the farms or field are called farm animals. Now, for example, cow, horses, goat, chicken, etc. We used to build a farm for them, or we used to keep them in the field. Then we have talked about day and night animals. Now, day animals are the animals which are active during the day and sleep at night. The human beings, as we do, right? We are active during the day. We do all the works, lot of works during the daytime, and when the night comes, we eat our dinner and we sleep for the night time. So even the animals, there are few animals which are active during the day and they sleep or rest the whole night. For example, we have bees, we have lions, tigers, cows, then goats, dogs, etc. Then what are the night animals? Night animals are those animals which are active during the night and they sleep or rest the whole day. This is the opposite of the day animals. So these animals, they are active during the day, but active during the night, but during the daytime we are not going to find these animals. Why? Because they are resting or sleeping. So what are the animals that falls into night animals? We have bats, we have owls, we have mouse, hedgehog, etc. Okay, so these are some of the categories of the animals or different types of animals. Then after that we have discussed about the size of the animals, the features, that is size, tail, moving from one place to another, and the place, the location. So these are some of the factors that we have discussed. Size, like all the animals, they are of different size, they are of different color. Then tails, some animals have tails, some animals do not have tails, while some animals have long tails and some animals have very short tails. Then some animals, they move from one place to another. Some they live in the sorry they walk by on their legs, some fly with the wings, some swim. So they have different things. Now those who doesn't have the legs, they have either they have wings or fins. Fins are the ones that swim in the that lives in the water. They have because they swim. And the birds, the ones who that fly on the sky, they have the wings. So these are birds. So you remember one thing, few animals have legs, few animals have wings, and few animals have fins which they swim. And some animals do not have anything, like the Worms and the snakes, they move with their body, like they crawl. Okay, then we come to the next last feature is the place. Now some animals live on the land, like elephant, lion, tiger, giraffe, etc., while some animals live in water. Water animals are fish, crabs, octopus, seahorse, etc. There are lots of things. Then there are few animals which they can adapt both the land on and in water. Means they can live both in the land, both on the land and in water. And these animals are crocodiles, frogs, etc. You can see them. They can, or the turtles as well. You can see them going for the swim in the water. Also, you can see them coming to the land. So these are some of the factors or the features, or you can say the characteristics of the animals. So these are some of the things that we have discussed in this lesson. Now let us come to the workbook. So here is question number 14. Identify the day animal from the following. The options are given: monkey, owl, bat and moth. So here we have to find out which is the day animal. Now owl is a night animal, bat is also a night, and moth. Moth is like a butterfly, but it is much rough than butterfly. So at night, if you can, butterflies day especially comes out in daytime, but moth at night, if you see a butterfly like thing, this is not a butterfly. You you have mistakenly called it as butterfly, but these creatures are called moth. Okay, so now all owl, bat and moth are night animals. Therefore monkey is a day animal. Okay, so here the correct answer will be A. Then come to question number 15. Which of the following animals is not very active during the day? Not active during the day means that animal will be the night animal. A, horse, B, elephant, C, cow and D, owl. Horse, elephant, cow, these are day animals. So owl is a night animal, therefore the correct answer will be D, owl. Now let us come to question number 16. I am an animal. I am awake during the day and I spend the night resting. Who am I? Now specifically here it is not given which animal, okay? But you can write it any animal such as dog, monkey, elephant and so on. So these animals, they actually are awake during the daytime. That means the question is asking about the day animals, but it has not specifies which animal. Therefore you can write any animal, any name of the animal which is suitable according to the day animal. Then we have question number 17. Write the letters in the correct order to get the name of the night animal. USEOM is given. So the correct answer, and the picture is also given, so you can make it out that this animal is this animal is mouse. Okay, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. So these are some of the questions from the workbook. Now here are few questions from my side. Okay, the first question is, we are animals who are active at night and rest the whole day. What are we called? So this question goes to you. Write the answer. We are going to discuss it in the live class. Then next question is, a group of zebras are grazing in the field. These zebras have black and white stripes on their bodies. Are these stripes different from each other, or every zebra has same stripes on their bodies? So this question also goes to you. Please try to read the question properly and understand what it is written there, and then try to answer the question. So these are some of the homework for you, and please do the classwork and do it. I'll be sending the answers in the Google Classroom, and these two questions are totally for you, and we are going to discuss it in the live class. So here I am going to wrap up my class. Thank you.